Ladies and gentlemen, my name is DJ Dude Bang, right? One of Sierra Leone's finest DJ in the UK. This is a short information. Every single Sunday, link me up at Official Mama Salon Facebook page, which I'm going to be DJing, doing all type of mix for you guys. And then there's a special into it, right? I'm giving out £20 to one lucky listener, right? Which I'm going to play a song for 4 seconds. Whoever got the song title right and the artist name, the name of the artist and the song title, you got yourself a £20. Cash will be sent to you wherever you are in the world. We'll send the money, we'll make sure you get the money, right? But sorry guys, I gotta do this in my native language, which is Creole from Sierra Leone. Me salon people, Sunday, you listen to me from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. GMT time, which is London time, right? If you're in anywhere else away from the UK, is from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., right? Link me up at Official Mama Salon. I'm giving out £20, right? You get the money any outside in the world. When they send the money, you get the money, right? I go by the name of DJ Dude Bang, one of Sierra Leone's finest DJ in the UK, right? Come this Sunday, Sierra Leone Independence, we're going to celebrate it. I'm giving out £40, right? To 2 lucky listeners that is going to get a song right. So come through, link me up, and then whoever got the money, I'll send the money. I'll make sure you get the money, right? Big it up, Official Mama Salon. Boom. My name is DJ Dude Band.